Hello everyone, that's Crypto Monk. In this video, we will look at the meme coin Pepe, and I will share a simple strategy that I use to profit from medium-term trading. It's so simple that you will be amazed. First, take a look at the screenshot. This is my recent trade where I partially closed my position at this level, reaching this value, which is another proof of the effectiveness of the strategy. For example, I know that many traders partially close their positions when the previous peak was reached. Here. By using my strategy, you could have earned an additional 6%. 6 and 4. You can see on the chart how precise the strategy is. For convenience, let's switch to the weekly time frame, and you can see that by moving from level to level, you could earn 38%, or in this case, around 40%. Following this trading strategy with Pepe at these levels, you could consistently earn about 40%. Pay attention to how the price interacts with these levels. Here there's a touch. Here's another touch followed by a price increase. Touch and reaction. Here the price respects the level. Here's another touch and price reaction. The same here. So we can see how the price respects these levels and reacts to them. My position was closed right here. By understanding this trading strategy and using the logic of these levels, you can consistently have a profit. Where do I get these levels for Pepe? You'll be surprised because it's very simple. You should use the Fibonacci tool. Yes, just the regular Fibonacci. Many traders underestimate it and consider it too simple, even primitive. There's just a small secret. You can see the results, and I'll show you how I use this trading tool. As a bonus, at the end of the video, I'll share my price expectations for Pepe for the coming year. Many people, when using Fibonacci to forecast crypto price growth, set it at double, triple, or 1.5 times. I do it slightly differently and slightly reduce the value. The secret is that people usually expect the cryptocurrency to double or triple in value, and the price often doesn't reach that level. Let's look at an example here. I have set the value at 2.95. And if we set it at 3, just look, the price doesn't reach that value. Moving on, if we expected the price to double, we wouldn't have closed our crypto positions because the price doesn't reach that level. And corrects. A slight adjustment in crypto forecasting allows us to reduce trading risks and fix really good profits. Additionally, we can buy more meme coins at a more favorable price. Moving on, we look at the price action, whether the price will rise or fall. This is just part of the secret. As you can see, often, I'll remove this 3 so it doesn't interfere. The price values you get with Fibonacci don't always match the price values of the levels. You see the value here and my level is slightly lower. How do I do this? If you see that the value given by Fibonacci is not a round number, I round it to the nearest one. Somewhere like this, look here, 6.08 or 6.19. From my experience, I've noticed that it's important to pay attention to round numbers for crypto price. So with Fibonacci, I get an approximate price value, then round it, and also observe the price reaction at that value. This allows me to determine the exact level I can use in my Pepe trading strategy. Similarly, I forecast price movements and beyond. Here, look, the logic is the same. Let's set it together. We get a value of 1368. It's unlikely that the price of Pepe will reach a value ending in 68. We remember that prices tend to favor round numbers. We can approximately set it at 70 here. And please understand, I'm not sure if 70 or 65 is the right value. I will observe how the price of Pepe approaches the level and where the price reacts. I will see where exactly the price of the meme coin reacts. The price value can be adjusted because you will also work with this level later. It could be 65 here. We cannot be sure, but it's highly probable. Let's do the same here. 15.58. It's highly unlikely that this value will be significant. Let's assume the value will be 60. That's it. This forecasting logic can be applied further. Now the main question, how to work with this? Here's what I know right now. By the way, I work on the daily time frame and use this strategy for spot investments in Pepe. You can use other time frames and trade on spot or futures. I see that when the price reacts to a level, there's a slight touch and a structure break. Here. It's not even important for me to see a candle close above. It may not even happen. When there's a strong price movement from the level, this is roughly how it looks. For me, this is a signal that I can open a position and expect movement to the next level. Here, when I see this pattern forms on the chart, I buy Pepe for spot and sell partially here. Then I'm waiting to see how the price continues to move on the chart. If the price reacts to the next level, I buy the position again and sell it when it reaches the next level. Here, the price may correct. You can add meme coins to your position here. You can buy immediately with a market order and wait for the price to touch the next level, because here you can see the price didn't retrace. But here there was a retracement and the price consolidated before Pepe's price increases. This situation occurred twice, and there's a high probability it will happen again. How else can we use these levels? Let's consider a situation where the price of the meme coin doesn't correct. Here's an ideal scenario. The price reaches the level, returns to the level, we buy Pepe, the price increases again, and we sell here. But sometimes there's no retracement. Then I observe how the price of Pepe behaves in this range. If the price consolidates, reacts, and breaks the structure on the hourly or 4-hour time frame, I will buy Pepe and wait for it to reach the next price level. What do I expect in the current situation? I see that the price has already had a slight correction, didn't drop below, and we see a rapid Pepe price increase. I am observing if the candles form a similar pattern above the level, I'll see a price retracement to the level and a strong reaction and structure break on the hourly time frame. I'll add to my Pepe position aiming for the next level. I'll sell Pepe here. Then I'll use the same logic. Either the price of Pepe goes up or it corrects to the previous level. I will buy Pepe either on a pullback to the previous level or wait for a reaction from the new level. It's that simple. We have one more important question. How can the price of Pepe increase? How far should we draw these levels? It all sounds very interesting, but remember that meme coins are high-risk assets. The price delivery algorithm can change. It's important to analyze the chart, but I also have an optimistic forecast. Let's compare the meme coin Pepe with another interesting meme coin, Dogecoin. What do we see? Let's switch to the monthly time frame and examine the historical moment on the Dogecoin chart during the previous bull run. We can see how much the price has increased. I expect a repetition of the Dogecoin scenario on the Pepe chart. It is very likely that we will see a significant growth of the meme coin and a substantial increase in price. Up to this point, I plan to stick to the investment strategy I shared in this video. Additionally, I hold a long-term spot position on Pepe and consider it an excellent crypto investment. There are no investment recommendations in this video. I am simply sharing my thoughts. Investing in meme coins involves extremely high risks, so only invest money you can afford to lose. Follow proper risk management rules. I'd be delighted to see that you like this video and let me know in the comments which meme coin you'd like me to analyze next.